Hi, I'm Christopher, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you the basics about the map view. So for the map view, go to Change View, Map, and as you can see, the map view essentially represents on a map all of the nodes and all of the locations that you have in MyReach. Essentially, where you were when you saved something, the addresses extracted from pictures or files that you've saved, and more importantly, all of the addresses that you've added to different items you've saved. So, some of the basics. As you can see, every item has a thumbnail. Green thumbnails are for websites, yellow are for albums, gray for documents, blue for tags, and orange for notes. If these items are grouped together or too closely grouped, then they're clustered. And if you click on a cluster, you zoom into the cluster and you can then see the details. So, what are the basics? As you can see, you have a couple buttons here on the side. The top button allows you then to filter by what location property you want to visualize and show. So, here are the basic ones that you have by default. So, where you were when you saved an item to MyReach, the extracted locations from the metadata of pictures, and the addresses that you might have added. If you would then select any of them, it then filters the results, and as you can see, only the relevant nodes are shown. Then, how can you then customize the look and feel? That goes by clicking on the button here at the bottom, where then you can then choose how to view the map, to view it as a normal map, to view it in the satellite mode. The benefit of satellite mode is as you zoom in, it then shows all the buildings in 3D, enabling you to see more detail and understand better where you were when you saved something. Then you can then choose the theme. Automatic depends on the default settings of your device, or you can then choose to always have it in dark mode, or always have it in light mode. And then the details. The details represent what items are then shown on the map. By default, I hide transportation and roads as I feel like it declutters a bit my map. Roads are essentially the names of all of the streets, and transportation then shows train lines, bus lines, airports, so on and so forth. Places, on the other hand, is something that is very interesting. Since we've integrated with Google Maps, places are essentially all of the Google pins. And I'll explain a bit more in the next video as to the interaction and what you can do with them. And lastly, in terms of the basics, you can then here, by clicking on this button, recenter your view directly to the overview that then centers it based on your current location marked as a blue pin. So these are some of the basics of the map view, and in the next video, I'll explain what are the different ways of saving places within the map view. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.